and after it will work, they will release to our clients. This is the process, I
So
think.
upgrade project team will be different. Upgrade project team will be different in that.
Upgrade project
Soft
team, no.
upgrade for upgrading projects.
Upgrade project in what is question? What are the questions?
The question is like some customers client is using 1009
Yeah,
and they want to upgrade to 1024.
yeah.
So who will upgrade this version? Microsoft will do or
Microsoft will provide the SDK. Okay, in that SDK, we need to do the coding part, which are using our customer. Okay, in that SDK, we
correct.
need to just insert that all that code. And if we are getting some issue, we need from Microsoft. So we need to contact with Microsoft. These issue are coming in this version. Resolve that issue. But if we have the issue in our development part, so we will fix that issue, and then we will just release the project to our customer for 10 or 24. And
Okay,
their side our support team will support for how to build their package in their side, and how to use the package at that side. This is the support
okay,
team
okay.
will handle.
Correct.
This is the process. So I'm just going to show you one more thing here. This is one URL, backend URL. If I started this VM, if anyone is started or not, I'm just checking that one. No, no, not. This is the stopped. Okay, we need
Stop.
to stop. We need to stop after working, because it will be charges per hourly. That's why after completed our work, we need to start that one. So I'm just
Okay.
going to start one VM. This one I'm just going to start. If I click on that, you can see here, this is the Microsoft platform version release update 47, and the application release is 10.23. This is the version in 10.23. And Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance and operation. This is the application release. And you can see here, if you can go here, environment changes history, we can see which package are installed deploy on this VM 23. So we can see here, these package are installed on this time on this VM. So we can find in history which package is going to work on this environment. And after starting, this is the start button. After starting, we can use this virtual machines. We will use in our next sessions. I'm just going to this some description about this one. So here we can start this VM,
Uh-huh.
and after starting we can use. But I have one started VM. I'm just
Hmm.
going to show you here. Wait. Actually, in D365, Microsoft launches very powerful applications, and we can
Hmm.
use quickly, and they have many functionality, more functionality compared to X2012. See,
Okay.
this is the D365 implementation virtual machines. Here, this is the e-commerce virtual machine. Yeah, this is the e-commerce virtual machines. Here we can see the full details of this virtual machines, and we can check check here for AOS URL. URL for URL means which we need to go for using from the backend. See, first we need to after development part, we need to configurations part. Okay, so in the login, when we click on the login here, we can see it's going up. We have some backend part also. In backend part, we need to some configurations. These configurations we need to learn in our classes for D365 retail. This
Okay. Okay.
configuration. So I'm just going to show you here. We have, actually I have a lots of thing, but but today I not show you everything, because today is first day, and
Correct.
you will confuse all the topics. That's why.
Correct. 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 Correct.
Yeah, yeah, this is very interesting thing, D365 for me actually.
You have a good experience in D365.
Yeah, actually I'm working here for last 14 year in this company. After I will work on X2012 and D365, and also the new employee when he come, I need to provide them training on that, and after they are working on the live project. And from this company Multisoft, I have 20 plus candidate this time, which is the Saturday Sunday we are taking the classes. And
Okay.
also I'm a team leader in that company for this retail. So we can take the our client calls also for solving their issue and their package related things. We can go through the each and every configurations and concept.
You have more than 14 years of experience in this field, right?
Yeah, before that, before X2012 and this one, we have another ERP RMS. So,
Okay.
so some similar related this one we are working there. But
Which
some
company you work?
products, yeah, it's the partner of the Microsoft company.
Okay.
Till the time it's loaded, I'm just going here for show you something. See, this is the difference between X2012 D365 and the SDK. But see, in our point of sale, when we use Microsoft point of sale, in the point of sale we are using in our D365 first we are using modern POS, retail modern POS. See, just I'm just go through. I will go through each one, each and every part here. Second thing is retail cloud POS, and third one. I know this time it will not clear, but I will go through each and every part. Then it will clear. Retail cloud POS, Moto or call center transactions.
Moto means what does Moto stands for?
See, Moto and call center. This is the call center transactions. It's the
Okay.
transactions when any client will do the transactions and do the requirement of the product of, to directly calling to our system manager. They will just purchase the product from there. See, I'm just go through. If you are asking the Moto.
No, just to understand Moto. What is Moto?
Yeah, Moto is the name of the scenario of the one point of sale in D365. For it's the only name of the Moto transactions like point of sale transactions. So in D365 we have some different categories to do the transactions. We have some Moto transactions in D365 which we need to use in our D365. Moto means mail order transactions, or only the mail order transactions. It's not any mail order telephonic transactions like M for mail, O for order, T for telephonic, O for order. Only this one for Moto transactions. Okay, like if anyone clients, this is the supply chain management. Okay, and we have the many clients. So if any one client they are using their stores, and their stores they want products for selling the products in their store, so they can just mail using the mail for order of the product, or they can use the telephonic order on the product. So we can say the motto for mail order or telephone order. This is the part of the transactions, and this transactions is a card. It is not uses the card. We can use the token for the transactions. Yeah, we can use the token. If see, suppose I have the products. Okay, I have the stores, and I am a owner of a store, and in my store some product are I requirement some product. Okay, so I will call you or I will mail you, and I have the list of my product, and I will tell
Okay.
you, please order this product, and please shipment, please go for the shipment of that product to my stores. So at the mail order or telephone order we can do using the Moto transaction. Understand about that?
How many types of POS are there? Point of sale types?
See, we have the retail cloud POS, we have the retail modern POS too, and Moto transactions is only the point of sale. Three and fourth is SDK or Android applications we can use on Android POS. Okay, we can see this the APK part, APK transactions. So if you many users are using the mobile, and in that mobile we can use the APK applications for transactions on the Android devices. Understand?
What is APK application?
See,
Yeah,
you know about the app, in your
app,
mobile.
app. I know, app.
So is that app is the extension of apk. Okay.
Acha, extension of AP.
Okay, so apk means it is the software which we can say the app. Okay, and so that app we need to install on system, means a mobile phone, android phone. Okay, also the aos is also there. aos is also there. We can use the aos applications is also for our aos devices. Okay, and last one we have the
Okay.
e-commerce transactions. So we have one, two, three, four, five type of the point of sale we are using in D360, Microsoft D365. Understand?
Difference between retail modern
Yeah,
POS
yeah,
and retail cloud.
yeah. We have the differences between all fives, and today you want these differences.
No problem.
Okay,
Later on
I'm
also.
yeah, I'm going to show you the differences. See, I'm just going to give you some short description about that. Okay, see, retail modern POS, it is the POS which we need to use in our system with applications. It need to be installed some packages software in our system. Like here,
Okay.
I'm just searching the modern POS. You can see a retail modern POS. Okay, when I click on this application, this app is going to be open, and this is only installations will be done in windows operating system, windows 10. Okay, without windows 10 it will not install. So in our d365 retail modern POS is the POS transactions, where we need to do the transactions for sale, void means cancel, sale, void, refund, and the
Yes.
customer order, and many things we are using in retail modern POS. And
Correct.
we
Correct.
can some configurations in our backend side. After configurations will done in our backend side, we can use the transactions in our devices. See, for retail
Correct.
modern POS we need some devices. Like I have this time these devices, like Kayan device. Kayan is the connector name, and this device I am using this time, this device, and also this one device I have this time. Okay, this Kayan device I have this time, and I'm using this Kayan device. So for retail modern POS is using for the transactions on our devices, and but before we need to configure the all the parts in our backend, X backend. I will show you the backend X. Also, I am just here to show you, but I need to log in first for showing this backend. Wait. First, what is the point of sale? Do you know about the point of sale?
Yeah, point of sale. It's a retail based software using sale.
Right, right. Point of sales means it is the point of purchase.
Purchase.
Purchase means where we have the retail transaction is complete. It is the point of
Correct.
sale. At the yeah, at the point of sale, we need the some merchant, and we need amount, we need customer, we need invoice. This topic we are using in point of sale.
Yeah,
So
correct.
also the receipt configurations we have. Also the cash transactions we have. Payment terminal also they are
Correct.
register there. Yeah, register there, and we have many more thing. Wait, so these are the point of sale. And see, point of sale and everything is the concept behind the supply chain management. So okay, okay,
Correct.
so we need to understand first what is the supply chain management. And in the supply chain management, we need to go through each and every part in the supply chain management, and we will go through in our next sessions. This is the AOS backend, this one environment for backend environment. And also I'm just going to show you the some e-commerce website also. I will show you, but we will discuss later in the next classes. So I'm just click on the commerce, in the e-commerce. At this time in market, many customer are using the e-commerce. So in D365, because it's the launches from the Microsoft, and we have the lots of companies we are working on the retail D365. Actually, it's not boom before 5 year, but before 5 year it is just going simple. But this time it's uses to many company, Microsoft Dynamic. See, can you see this screen?
Yes, yes. New
Yeah,
arrivals.
this is the e-commerce website. Okay,
Okay.
where we can do the purchase the product, and after purchase the product, we can see this product in our backend, X backend. We can sync the order from here to our backend. And in the backend means X backend, where we are going to do configurations. That one is X backend. We will go through the X backend also.
It seemed
And
like
first,
Amazon, Flipkart, right?
yeah, this is the e-commerce. This same like
Yeah,
Amazon. Yeah, it's not before, it's not using Microsoft, but now they have the e-commerce website, also the storefront. One more
yes,
thing, storefront. Okay,
yeah,
so storefront and e-commerce is the same, but it has some different configurations. So they are
correct.
using the e-commerce website. So we will go through this part, retail, modern POS, cloud POS, and these are some Microsoft point of sale. These point of sale is in retail and commerce section.
Retail and commerce. Okay,
Retail and commerce section. So we have same this one, and I need to go through which one. Yeah, I'm just logging here. I'm just going to show you the backend. Here is some we here all only we need to configurations in AX backend in our retail. Actually, today is our introduction class. That's why we are not going each and every points, but we have the
correct.
topics, and we will go through each and every topics.